play it as the 2-1. You might have one more. I think I need to play this to whoever is defending. Okay. There's so many like little tricks in this game and little this instant? No, sorcery. Okay, so how many? I have 8. This is 4, 5, 9. Okay, I draw 1 land, I just kill him. If I draw 1 land, I kill him. 37% chance. God, please. Jeebus, please. Jeebus, please. He's playing so many lands. Holy shit, his board's exploding. My god, his board's exploding everywhere. Dude, this is what I'm talking about. Why is he getting to play all these fucking... He's getting to play everything for like no fucking cost. Prage. Okay. So we're going to do this, right? So this doubles the amount of counters that I play with. Then we're going to play Vraska at full. Oh, wait, no. We're going to play Vraska and take 2. So Vraska comes in with 10 counters. And then we hit this guy for 18 poison counters. And he loses. That deck is so dumb.